What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing a Google Home Mini. I can't believe it. So with this Google Home is that you pair it to your phone, you download the app, and then the Google Home app here it is. Wow, it's a speaker too. Look how nice and small that is. It's so nice. And it's very light too. Nice. Here's the manual. Here's the plug. Oh, it takes an Android charger. Look. Alright, guys. Let's test it out. Let's plug it in. On my bed. Just tripod. Plug it in. Alright. Plug my charger. Plug it in. Boom, there it goes. Oh, wait. Sorry with the movement. Just adjusting my tripod. Alright, it's plugged in. Here's the plug. 3, 2, 1. Oh. It's a sign. Whoa, that is sick. I better get the manual before I screw this stuff up. Whoa. Did you hear that?
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Got my phone right here. Right there, that's what the app looks like. Oh. Alright, once you sign in, it's gonna look like this. I think this is a Bluetooth speaker. Turn on Bluetooth, enable, alright. Okay. Turn on Bluetooth, allow Google Home to connect to the, Bluetooth on. Let's see. I better open this manual up. Put you guys down. Alright. Here's the manual. Be safe. Don't need it. It's just a speaker. Get to know your Google Home Mini. Oh yeah, you could tell, like, set this Google Home, you could tell, like, you could tell them, I think you have to buy, like, a special outlet or something. You could tell, okay, Google, turn off my bedroom light, or turn off bedroom 1 light, like, you say it like that, and then it shuts off. Like, I don't know how it works, but as you could tell here, like, pause the TV. It's like it's all running on the Wi-Fi. You know, or like say set an alarm for 6 p.m. or tell me about my day, whatever. Like, you could say how's the traffic in Manhasset or whatever. And LIE. Alright, so here it says connect the power adapter to your Google Home Mini. Check. Get the app, download the app. See? Alright, so we don't need the instructions. Alright. Nothing's whatever. Oh, there it is. As you could tell right here, one device found. Google Home 9168. Press setup. Connecting to Google Home. Whoa! Look, it turned blue. And it sounds like really good quality. Did you hear that sound? Yeah. Press yes. Help improve Google Home Mini automatic share. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, wow. Where is this device? TJ Room. How the hell is that? How do they know? How do they know TJ Room? Probably it's from the Wi-Fi. Alright, now you gotta connect to, like, oh, that's a new Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna put my Wi-Fi password. Hold up. Let's see, come on. So slow. Give it a chance. I'm not sure if it's the right one. Crap. Sorry, guys. You could skip ahead a little. I don't know what it's taking. It's probably the wrong one. The password I put. Oh, please connect to file. Oh, yeah. You are currently not on the same Wi-Fi network as your device. Please connect it. What the Alright, let's do this again. Oh, you know what, guys? Hold on. Hold up. Oh, yeah. I got it. Yes, TJ Room, yes, this one. Okay. Oh my God, Jesus. I got it. Alright, one more time. I think I'm gonna get it this time. I'm telling you. I think I put the wrong Wi-Fi password. Yes, yes. Next. Job. 4. Alright. Still recording. Thank God. Please don't die. Please don't die. Connected, yeah. I got it. Let's go. Before using your Google Home Assistant. Yeah, next, whatever. Oh, every time I touch it makes a noise. See? Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. I agree. Okay. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Setting up voice match. This should take less than a minute. This is the coolest thing. Maybe it's, I wonder why it's taking so long. There's 12 minutes already? The video? Oh, completed. Something went wrong. Try again? What do you mean? Oh. Fucking Maybe it's because I have Do Not Disturb thing on. Oh. You heard that? So that was me banging the floor. God damn it. What the hell's going on? There's always something. Just take the power off. Something went wrong. You know what? Guys, I'll do this later. I'm sure. I'm telling you, it'll work. Nice.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant throughout your day. And now you can choose from different voices for me to speak with.
Oh, there it is.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout
That's
your
my
day.
phone.
And now you can choose from different voices for me to speak with.
Alright.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
That's cool.
And now you can choose from different voices for me to speak with. Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Nah.
And now you
I
can
might
choose
just-
from
let
different
me just
voices
do
for
one.
me to speak with.
Alright, allow. Oh, let me not. Should I even? No, I'm not putting that. Oh, maybe. You know what? Hold on. Oh, you know what? I'll do it later. I'm sure. I'll just press next. Next, I'll get everything settled, like customized later. Like when I end the video, I'll figure it out. Go.
Hi, I'm your Google
Whoa.
Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Alright, so we got that. View more. You could ask like jokes and stay in the know. Get tips from things. Alright, so okay Google. Alright, it works. Voicemail. I'll do that later.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Okay, Google. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. What can I help you with?
We don't need the phone anymore. Set alarm for 6:30 a.m.
Got it. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 6:30 a.m.
This is amazing. Okay, Google. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. What can I help you with?
Turn up the volume. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Turn off my bedroom light.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that, but I'm still learning.
Wait, what? Oh, it's probably because after, like I said. Okay, Google. How's the traffic on...
There's heavy traffic in Manhasset, New York. It's much slower than usual.
Okay, Google. How's the weather out there?
Right now in Manhasset it's 65 and sunny. The forecast tonight is 61 and clear.
I love this thing. Google. Okay, Google. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. What can I help you with?
Nothing.
Okay, I'll be here when you need me.
Alright. Oh, so there's a switch. There's a mute switch, so if you're having like a conversation, whatever, you could just mute it, and then Google can't hear anything. So, oh yeah, and then there's like, if you hold it down there. Okay, Google. Power off.
Sorry, power controls is not yet supported.
Probably gonna have to. I'll set everything up from my phone now when I end this video right now. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. See you tomorrow.
I'll be here.
I'm just kidding, not tomorrow. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a pretty long video, like 20 minutes. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Turn on post notifications. Smash that thumbs up button. I recommend get Google Home. It's pretty nice to have something, or like a gift. It's a good gift. Clean up. Alright guys, see you guys next time. Peace.